That's the Sony A6000 camera, and if I power it on and press the shutter button, notice it's making multiple photos. To make just one photo instead of multiple photos, press the left arrow, and notice it's on the second option, which is continuous shooting. Okay, and set it to the first one. Go up, and now it's on single shooting. Accept it with the middle button, and now if I press and even hold the button, it will make only one photo. I have to release it, and then it's making only one photo. And even if I'm holding it with my hand, it's not making multiple photos. Okay, if that button is already assigned to a different function, then you can press the menu button, and on the first icon go to the second page. Okay, and here we have drive mode, and it's already set to single shooting. It was on high, the second one. Okay, so menu, first icon, second page, drive mode, and enter that one and set it to the first, single shooting. And now it's making only one photo.